This is my Django Ecomstore web presentation. This the carts.py file is a Python programming syntax. I have a cart ID session key. In order for the user to access and order items from Robert's Country Store, they must have their session cookies enabled. Once they're verified for their identity, the characters for their cart ID can be uppercase, lowercase, numbers, or special characters with a length of 50. It is uncommon not to have two customers with the same name or card ID. As they choose their product, the website uses a get function to get the product the customer desires. The quantity must be a minimum of 1 or greater. If the product is not in cart, the product is retrieved and placed into the customer's cart for the viewing of the customer to make their decision to either increase or remove a particular item that they have desired to order. Each item has an ID and that will be displayed and quantity displayed. The decimal for price is set to the second decimal place for the price submitted and presented to the customer for their particular order. This is the forms.py file. The value for the class quantity is minimum of 1, as stated previously. The maximum of 5 items. If the customer enters a 0 or negative number, they receive an invalid "please enter a valid quantity" message. To further validate my previous statement, cookies must be embedded, and session cookies are maintained in the customer's computer for 2 weeks minimum. Models.py has the class for the item, models for a particular item. It has a table, cart for each item, category, and the date ordered. The test.py is a simple test at this time of 1 + 1 = 2 for testing purposes only. The views.py, once the customer's request for a product is made, it is posted and submitted. It can be either removed or a submission to update. And the page title is placed in the shopping cart for that particular item. The catalog tags has a tags cart box, tagging each item by category and type of product, their active orders, the class product, and the admin.py file displays a list of name, price, all price created at which is the location of the product by classification of instrument, sheet music, or accessories, and update when it was updated and created. This is viewed only by the administrator of the site, not to the customer. The models.py is a category file showing the max length for each category is 50 and has a unique value for that product, page URL, and create name. The table for categories, when it was created, the catalog, category, each product model has a character field that is set to a length of 255. It's a unique value for product, page URL, and create from name. Has keywords identifying the product. Some products have long names, and for usability to the store and the database administrator, the item names can be abbreviated to reduce space and file usage, and eliminating redundancy of repeated items. You have the class metadata, which is data table of base table of products, and the ordering created at, which is where the order was created. The views.py has a catalog and category HTML file for the catalog and product. As the item is ordered by the customer, it is posted in the URL is showed in the customer's order cart. Upon completion of this presentation, this video will be placed in a flat page similar to the one presently being viewed, with a URL, a basic title, and basic content description for the viewing of customers. Now, thank you for your time, and hope you were pleased with the presented information and it was informative to yourself. Thank you.